It hits you sometimes, doesn't it? Just how fast technology keeps changing.
Yeah, it feels like a constant flood of information, hard to keep up.
Exactly. So if you're looking to maybe cut through some of that noise, figure out what might actually, matter soon, you're in the right spot.
Because today we're diving into the MIT Technology Review's 10 breakthrough technologies for 2025.
Right.
And this isn't just like a random list, it's their annual prediction, and it comes from a source with some serious credibility.
Definitely. MIT Technology Review.
Yeah.
They've been around, 125 years. Owned by MIT, but crucially, editorially independent.
Yeah, and their whole focus is on real-world impact, not just the latest shiny object.
And getting this list together, it's apparently quite the process. Pitches, debates, voting.
Yeah.
The whole newsroom gets involved. It's an educated guess, basically.
A very educated guess. So our mission today, pretty simple. We've gone through the list, looked at why they picked what they picked, and we're going to pull out the most, interesting and important bits for you. Get you the essentials fast.
Okay, let's jump right in. First one that caught my eye. Generative AI search.
Ah, yes. We all use Google, Bing, whatever, constantly. This sounds like a pretty big change to that basic interaction.
How so, exactly?
Well, the breakthrough idea is moving beyond just getting a list of links. The AI would kind of understand your question
Right.
and then generate a direct answer or synthesize information from multiple sources for you.
So instead of clicking through 10 blue links, you ask something complex and just get a summary.
Potentially, yeah. Or a direct explanation. It could fundamentally change how we research or even just learn things day to day. Less sifting, more knowing.
Okay, that's a big shift. It's
Yeah.
like going from the library card catalog to just asking the super librarian.
That's a good way to put it.
Now, related, but different.
Mm.
The list also mentions small language models. We hear
Yeah.
constantly about these giant AIs, right?
Yeah.
So what's the breakthrough with small ones?
Efficiency and focus.
Yeah.
That's the key.
Okay.
These massive models, they're incredible, but they need huge amounts of data, computing power, money.
Sure.
Small language models, or SLMs, can be trained for very specific jobs. They're faster, cheaper to run, and can work on, less powerful hardware, like maybe even your phone eventually.
So like a really good customer service bot for one specific company, perfectly trained, but without needing a supercomputer behind it.
Exactly that kind of thing. Specialized tools, optimized for the task. It adds nuance to the whole AI picture.
Right, not just one size fits all. Okay, shifting gears now, completely. This one honestly surprised me. Cattle burping remedies. Bover.
Huh. Yeah, it stands out, doesn't it?
It does. What's the tech breakthrough there?
It really highlights how broad technology can be. So cattle methane emissions, huge contributor to greenhouse gases. It's a major environmental problem.
Okay.
Bover is basically a feed supplement. You add it to the cow's diet, and studies show it significantly reduces the methane they produce, mostly through burps.
Wow, so a dietary change for cows is a climate tech solution.
Pretty much. It's a very direct, tangible application of science to a big, real-world issue outside the usual digital stuff.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
Okay, another one that sounds incredibly impactful. Long-acting HIV prevention.
Absolutely. This is huge. We're talking about an injectable medication.
Right.
You get it just once every 6 months. And in trials, it showed 100% efficacy in preventing HIV infection.
100%. Every 6 months.
That's what the trials showed. Think about the convenience, the accessibility, especially for populations where daily pills might be a challenge. Game changer for public health.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's genuinely amazing potential. Looking back, MIT Tech Review has called some big ones before.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Well, they flagged data mining way back. Intelligent software assistants, too. Things that are just normal now.
So they have a decent track record.
A pretty good one. But, they're not perfect. They also apparently listed social TV as a breakthrough once.
Social TV? Like tweeting about a show?
I guess. Didn't exactly change the world, did it? So it shows it's still prediction, not prophecy.
Good point. Keeps it realistic. And they even mentioned a couple that didn't quite make the top 10 this year, like virtual power plants and AI agents. Gives you a sense of the debates they must have.
So, okay, we've looked at AI search, small models, cow burps, HIV prevention. What's the sort of overarching theme here? What should we take away?
I think the big takeaway is just the sheer diversity of where impactful technology can come from. It's information access, it's AI efficiency, it's environment, it's health.
Right. It's not just one thing.
Exactly. This list is a snapshot, showing potentially huge shifts across many different parts of our lives.
And it is just a snapshot, like you said. Based on what we know now, things could change.
For sure. It's meant to spark thinking, maybe even some disagreement. It's an invitation to stay curious.
And if people are curious, they can check out the full list, right? Or there was something about an 11th breakthrough poll.
Yeah, they let readers vote on other contenders like deep fakes, glucose monitors, methane satellites, brain-computer interfaces. Lots more to dig into if you want.
Cool. Which kind of leads to a final thought, maybe for you listening.
Yeah.
Beyond this list, what other small changes, maybe things that seem minor right now, could actually be brewing into the next set of big breakthroughs? Worth keeping an eye out,